Very good afternoon, dear children. How are you all? Hope so. You all are fine and very good. Yes, today we will do oral work. First we will do oral work. Then we will do writing work. Okay? So first we will do prayer. Everyone, please stand up. Join your hands. Close your eyes and repeat after me. Om Sahna Bhavatu सहनो भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। Slowly open your eyes. Now tell me which period is going on. This is EVS period or math period? Which period is going on? English period is going on. Which period is going on? English period is going on. Okay? So everyone, today I am going to introduce here concept of that. Okay? Use of that. In our previous lecture, I already taught you use of this. Do you know when we use this? If one person or one thing which is near from you, okay, one person or one thing which is near from you, that time we are using this. Okay, this is a bag, this is a cap, this is a plate, this is a bottle. Okay, so many small sentence you have to make with this. Okay, today I am going to introduce here concept of that, use of that. Okay, use of that. Okay, now see, when we use that, see, that is used for the person or thing distant to the speaker. When we use that, listen carefully, one thing or one person which is far from you. Okay, which is far from you. जब वो आपसे दूर होते हैं तब आपको क्या करना है? Okay, when we use that, one person or one thing far from, far मतलब दूर, far from you, then we are using that. We are using that. I am giving you some example. See the example. जब कोई चीज, कोई व्यक्ति आपसे दूर रहते हैं, जब आपसे दूर है, वो दूर खड़े हैं या फिर कोई चीज आपसे दूर रखी हो, तो उस टाइम पे आपको that यूज करना है. कब that यूज करना है? कोई व्यक्ति, कोई चीज अगर आपसे दूर हो तो उस टाइम पे आपको क्या यूज करना है? that. क्या यूज करना है? that. When we use that, one thing or one person far from you. Okay, one thing or one person far from you, that then you are using that. Okay, समझ में आया? जब कोई व्यक्ति, कोई एक चीज आपसे दूर हो तब आपको क्या यूज करना है? that. क्या यूज करना है? that. Okay, now I am giving you some examples. Look here everyone. Okay, see this notebook. See this notebook. It is far from me. It is far from me. ये कहाँ है? मैम से दूर है. कहाँ है? मैम से दूर है. तो क्या कहेंगे इसमें? That is a notebook. That is a notebook. अब जो नोटबुक मैम के पास है तो क्या कहेंगे? दिस इज ए नोटबुक, दिस इज ए नोटबुक। अब ये दूर है तो क्या कहेंगे? व्हाट वी यूज? दैट, दैट इज ए नोटबुक, दैट इज ए नोटबुक। ओके, now next example, see the pencil, it is far from me, see this pencil, it is far from me, it is near from me? No, it is far from me. So what we used here? That, that is a pencil, that is a pencil, that is a pencil, क्योंकि मैम से दूर है, ये मैम से दूर है, इसलिए क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे? that, that is a pencil, that is a pencil. Okay, next example, watch. What is this? Watch. Okay, see the watch, it is far from me or near from me? Now it is near from me. Okay, now see the watch, it is far from me? Yes, it is far from me. ये अभी मैम से दूर है, वॉच मैम से दूर है। ओके, नाउ व्हाट वी यूज? दैट, क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे? दैट, क्यों? क्योंकि वॉच मैम से दूर है। दैट इज ए वॉच, दैट इज ए वॉच, दैट इज ए वॉच। Now next example, see this, what is this? Pen. Okay, this is a pen. Now see, pen is near from me? Yes, pen is near from me, pen मेरे पास में है, तो मैं क्या यूज करूंगी यहाँ पे? this. Now see the pen, see the pen, where is pen? It is far from me or near from me? It is far from me, it is far from me. Okay, it is far from me, ये कहाँ है? मैम से दूर है, सो यहाँ पे क्या यूज करेंगे? दैट इज ए पेन, 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 दैट इज ए पेन। ओके, नेक्स्ट, see this, what is this? This is a chalk, chalk is near from me, that is why I am using here this. Now see the chalk, where is chalk? Chalk is near from me or far from me? No, it is far from me. See the chalk, it is far from me. Okay, मैम से दूर है, मैम से पास में है क्या chalk? नहीं, मैम से दूर है, तो क्या यूज करेंगे यहाँ पे? दैट, दैट इज ए चॉक, दैट इज ए चॉक, दैट इज ए चॉक, दैट इज ए चॉक, दैट इज ए चॉक। ओके, नाउ आवर नेक्स्ट एग्जाम्पल, सी द प्लेट, व्हाट इज दिस? प्लेट। You have to make so many small sentence with this or that. Okay? अब बहुत सारे सेंटेंस, छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना सकते हो घर पे भी, है ना? चलो, now see this. This is a plate. Why? Why I am using this here? Because plate is near from me. Because this plate is near from me. Where is plate? It is near from me. Where is plate? It is near from me. Now see the plate. It is, see the plate. It is far from me. प्लेट कहाँ है? दूर है। प्लेट कहाँ है? दूर है, मैम से दूर है। प्लेट कहाँ है? दूर है। ओके, सो व्हाट वी यूज हियर? दैट। व्हाट वी यूज हियर? दैट। What we use here? That. That is a plate. That is a plate. That is a plate. That is a plate. Okay. Now see this cup. Where is cup? Now cup is near from me. कप इज नियर फ्रॉम मी। कप कहाँ है? मैम के पास है। तब क्या यूज करेंगे? दिस इज ए कप, दिस इज ए कप। नाउ सी द कप, वेयर इज कप? कप कहाँ है? दूर है। कप कहाँ है? दूर है। वेयर इज कप? कप इज फार फ्रॉम मी, कप इज far from me. So what I used here? That. What I used here? That. What I used here? That. That is a cup. That is a cup. That is a cup. Okay. Now see this. What is this? This is a basket. Now it is near from me. What is this? This is a basket. What is this? This is a basket. Why I am using here this? Because it is near from me. It is near from me. Now see the basket. Where is the basket? It is near from me now? No, it is far from me. It is far from me. So what I use here? That. That is a basket. That is a basket. That is a basket. Okay. It is small basket. Okay. It is small basket. That is a basket. That is a basket. Why I use here that? Because basket is far from me. Basket is far from me. That is a basket. That is a basket. Okay. Now see. What is this? This is a duster. What is this? This is a duster. Now it is near from me. Yes, it is near from me. So what I used here? This is a duster. This is a duster. This is a duster. Now see the duster. Where is duster? Where is duster? It is far from me. It is far from me. So I used here that. That is a duster. That is a duster. That is a duster. Okay. Now you understood? No need to write now. No need to write now. I am giving you some example also. See the bottle. Where is bottle? Bottle is near with me. Yes. So what I use here? This. This is a bottle. This is a bottle. This is a bottle. Now see the bottle. Bottle is near with me or far from me? Bottle is near from me or far from me? Now bottle is far from me. Okay. So what I use here? That is a bottle. That is a bottle. That is a bottle. What is this? That is a bottle. That is a bottle. Okay. Now see the book. See this book. This is near from me. So I used here this. This is a book. किसलिए यूज करेंगे? क्योंकि बुक मैम के पास है. बुक मैम के पास है तो क्या यूज करेंगे? This. This is a book. Now see the book. See the book. Where is book? Far from me. Far from me. Why I use here that? Because the book is far from me. बुक कहाँ है? मैम से दूर है तो क्या यूज करेंगे? That. That is a book. That is a book. That is a book. That is a book. Okay. Now see. One more example is here. What is this? This is a cap. What is this? This is a cap. Okay. Why I am using here this? Because cap is near from me. Cap is near from me. Now see the cap. Where is cap? It is near from me? No. Now it is far from me. Now it is far from me. That is why I am using here that. That is why I am using here that. That is a cap. That is a cap. That is a cap. Okay. Now you understood? Good. Now take out your book. Everyone take out your book. Now we will do reading. I am giving you so many examples. Okay. When we use this and when we use that. Okay. Now we will do reading. Open this page. Page number 2424. Take out your English grammar book. Put your finger here. Okay. Use of this and that. Okay. Now see this. Take out this page. This is your English grammar book. Take out this page. Page number 2424. In our next lecture we will write the definition of that. Okay. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम लोग डेफिनेशन लिखेंगे दैट का. सी दिस. पुट योर फिंगर हियर. दिस इज ए कैट. वेयर इज द कैट? कैट इज नियर फ्रॉम द सेंटेंस. कैट इज नियर फ्रॉम द सेंटेंस. दैट इज व्हाई हियर यूज दिस. दिस क्यों यूज किया? क्योंकि ये जो कैट है वो सेंटेंस के पास है. ओके. दिस इज ए कैट. पुट योर फिंगर हियर एवरीवन. Repeat after me, say loudly, and full stop is here. If sentence is completed, when the sentence is completed, we will give the full stop. Okay? जब sentence complete होता है तो हमें वहाँ पे क्या देना है? Full stop. मतलब हमारा sentence complete हो गया. Okay? See. Put your finger here. Say loudly. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a cat. Next, this is a cup. This is a cup. These all are this sentence and these all are that sentence. Okay? ये कौन से हैं सारे? this के और ये कौन से हैं? that के. Okay? This is a cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. This is a cup. Now next. This is a ball. This is a ball. This is a ball. This is a ball. Now see. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a cat. This is a cat. Now see this picture. Who is he? He is a dog. He is a dog. Okay. Now see, that is a dog. That is a dog. That is a tap. What is this? This is a tap. That is a tap. Why we use here that? Because it is far from the sentence. It is far from the sentence. It is far from the speaker. Okay. That is a tap. That is a tap. That is a tap. That is a cow. That is a cow. That is a cow. That is a cow. Now see. That is a car. That is a car. That is a car. Say loudly, everyone. Loudly again. When we use that, that is used for the person or thing distant to the speaker. When we use that, that is used for the person or thing distance to the speaker. Okay. When we use this is used for the person or thing close to the speaker. Close मतलब पास में. Near means पास में. डिस्टेंट मतलब दूर, फार मतलब दूर. ओके, नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड. This is used for the person or thing close to the speaker. This कब यूज करना है? जब कोई व्यक्ति, कोई चीज जो बोलने वाला इंसान है उसके पास में है. कोई चीज आपके पास में है तो आपको क्या यूज करना है? दिस. ओके, that is used for the person or thing distant to the speaker. That is used for the person or thing distant to the speaker. Okay, that कब यूज करना है? कब यूज करना है? जब कोई एक इंसान, कोई एक व्यक्ति, कोई चीज, एक चीज आपसे दूर हो. डिस्टेंट मतलब आपसे दूर हो, तब आपको क्या यूज करना है? दैट. क्या यूज करना है? दैट. ओके, नाउ डन दिस. ओके, today is your homework. Listen carefully. You have to make 5 sentences on concept of this, and you have to 5 make sentence concept of that. You have to make. Okay, read the sentence. Read the 5 sentences. You have to make sentence. This is a pen. This is a pencil. This is a bag. This is a bottle. This is a pen. This is a shirt. You have to make small sentence. Okay, and send me your video. Okay, I'll wait for your video. Okay, everyone. Now bye bye. See you tomorrow. We will meet in our next lecture. Okay. Please take care of yourself. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.